guys, today I'm doing a review of these Huer sensible sweets. So you can see they have natural ingredients, but let's look at the ingredients. Now these are on sale, and if you look here, there is sugar in this first ingredient, so quite a bit of sugar, so just be aware of this. I've been doing some reviews on those Smart Sweets binge ones as well, so I just want to do a review of these ones here. Like I said, they're on sale. So you look here, you know, this here, the weight-wise, this is technically cheaper than the binge ones and all the other ones, but you really shouldn't overeat these ones because the amount of sugar that's found in these ones. But take a look. Here's the back there. So 19 grams of sugar per 12 pieces. So, like, you'd actually have to eat 12 pieces, right? So the other thing is with the binge ones, you actually get the alcohol sugars that are in there. So, you know, it's a trade-off, right? So we're gonna do a quick taste test, see how they are. So, okay, so there it is. I'll do a quick taste test with one of them. They're not overly sweet. They're not bad actually, but you can definitely taste the sugar, but not overly sweet. Yeah, the other ones are better, but if you're looking for a cheaper alternative, this might be okay. If you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.